Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Online Gdb and signing into your account so your work is saved. First, click New Project, choose the language and give the file a clear name like main. CPP. Once done, set basic compiler options and any runtime arguments. These control how your code builds and runs. Make sure to select the correct toolchain for C++ versus Python because the debugger integrates differently. This prevents mismatched build artifacts and keeps your first run predictable. Now you edit code directly in the browser editor. Use split view to monitor output while coding. Add breakpoints by clicking line numbers. These pause execution so you can inspect program state. Then configure watch expressions for variables you care about and set input or environment variables if needed. Once configured, hit Build, resolve compile errors iteratively. Make sure to recompile after fixes. The debugger runs the latest binary, so consistent builds are essential for accurate stepping and variable inspection during the run. Finally, start debug and control execution with step over, step into, and continue commands. Use the call stack to jump frames and inspect variable values. You can send input via the console and capture output for later review. If things go wrong, clean and rebuild the project first, because stale binaries cause confusing behavior. Also check the selected toolchain and reset breakpoints if they don't hit. Doing this resolves most issues quickly and gets you back to productive debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.